At CDA, because we're not in a booth, we train every student like you're actually on a job. You're going to be doing things out here in the program that you would be doing on the job, i.e. setting up your own equipment, going through tool and procedures, running your own leads, changing out bottles. These are all things that you're going to be expected to do on a job. The traditional welding schools, everything is set up for you where you basically walk into a booth, turn a machine on, and weld, unlike it is in the field. Told by industry leaders, they're more in tune with having our graduates come to their companies because they're more prepared to work in the industry. A lot of these graduates coming out of these big box schools are not accustomed to environments where they're uncomfortable, where it's uncontrolled, and where they don't feel safe.